Hi guys, this is the continuation of the vlog here in LU. LU. Mamaya po-post ko siya if kaya. Sobrang init. I missed you. Man. Grabe. Sobrang init talaga. Sobrang init. So we're going to walk to Kabsat today. And my memory is full. I can take a lot of videos. Haha. So I have to end this na dahil punong-puno na yung memory card ko. Pumupuno, and I will delete it once I post it on YouTube.